Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your Apple Pay card and accounts. Let's get straight into the video. So when it comes to managing your cards, what you want to do is to find the wallet app on your iPhone, and then you want to open that up and then just select the card that you want to manage. Now you can always just view and edit the card details, such as the card number, the expiration date, and of course the security code. And when it comes to adding and removing cards, you can do that by first finding the wallet app on your iPhone and then open that up, and then you can just add a new card to Apple Pay by tapping the plus icon, and then just follow the prompts to enter the card details and verify the card. And of course you could always remove a card by just swiping left on the card and just tap delete to remove that card. Now when it comes to managing your accounts, you can do that by first opening the wallet app on your iPhone and then just tap on the account. So just select the account that you want to manage, and of course you can view its account details, such as the account balance and transaction history. Now for default card settings, you can just find the wallet app on your iPhone and open that up, and then you want to select the default card for Apple Pay, and of course you can choose whatever card you want to be the default card, and that's going to help you to set that. Now when it comes to card verifications, first you want to do is to find the wallet app on your iPhone and open it, and then select the card that you want to verify, and of course just follow the prompts to verify the card through your bank app or website. So a couple of tips and reminders for you guys. The first is to always keep your card and account up to date. So you got to regularly review and update your card and account information. Second, of course, is to use the wallet app to manage your card. So always use the wallet app because it provides a convenient way to manage your accounts, your Apple Pay cards and accounts. Now the last tip for you guys is to contact your bank or your card issuer for assistance. So if you have any issues with your accounts or your cards, you can always just contact your bank or your card issuers, and they're going to help you sort that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.